Discover the amazing effects of incorporating pineapple into your daily diet. Pineapple Power. Explore the incredible benefits of eating pineapple every day. Better digestion. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in protein digestion, making it easier for your body to process food. Immune Boost. Rich in vitamin C, pineapple strengthens your immune system by fighting off harmful free radicals and bolstering your body's defenses. Stronger bones. Pineapple is packed with manganese, a mineral essential for bone health and formation. Inflammation reduction. Bromelain in pineapple not only aids digestion, but also has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to alleviate pain and inflammation. Radiant skin. The vitamin C in pineapple promotes collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining youthful and glowing skin. Improved vision. Pineapple is rich in beta-carotene, a nutrient that supports eye health and reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Incorporate pineapple into your daily routine to experience these incredible benefits. Don't forget to save and share this video to spread the pineapple love.